Hello guys, welcome back. Let's see one of the C language question which was asked in GATE 2015. Here they have given few lines of code. Please pause the video and go through it. And they are asking for the output of the program is. Every C program will start executing from main method. Okay, fine. Immediately they have declared one integer variable with a value 1 and the name is x. Mean this is a x variable local to main function. Here you have to understood these are all the function headers, definitions of the functions f1, f2, f3, and they have declared one global variable x, integer variable with a value 10. Okay, the immediate statement they have declared is x plus equal to f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus f2. They have called some functions. So this statement I can write like this: x equal to x plus f1 function, f2 function, f3 function, then once again f2 function. So now this statement is executing, right? When it is executing, x equal to x plus, what is x? Local variable x. Local variable x is 1. You know, the variable which is present inside the function is local variable. The variable which are present outside the function is, that is global variable. Okay, so local variable is x1. Now it is calling function 1, f1. So cursor will move to f1. Here it is going to declare one more integer variable x with a value 25. Now it is incrementing, post increment, that is 26, and it is going to return that value 26. 26 will be returned to the function f1. So here it will get 26. After successful execution, then it is going to execute f2. So cursor will move to f2. F2 is going to call, f2 is going to execute. Here they have defined one integer variable x with a value 50, but you have to understood that variable is a static variable. Means its scope is static, means memory will be created once and will be used for multiple times whenever required. Okay, 50. Now x value will be incremented by 1, that is 51, and it is going to return that x. That x will be returned and that value will be 51 here. Then f3 will be called. F3 will comes here and it is going to perform like x into equal to 10, right? That I can write like x equal to x into 10. Right? Now when it is trying to evaluate this expression, it is going to check for local variable x within the function, but there is no x variable within the function. So then it is going to take which variable? It is going to take global variable x. Global variable x. So in place of x, it is going to substitute 10. So 10 into 10, 100. That 100 is going to replace with the global variable x. Global variable x. Then it is going to return that x. So now x, it is trying to check for local x. There is no local x, then it is going to return global x. Global x value is 100. So for this function, it is going to get 100. Next, immediately it is going to call function 2. Function 2. Cursor will move to again here. Here, as it is static variable location, it doesn't execute this once again because it is already created. Then x plus plus, that is 51 incremented by 52. 1, that is 52. Then it is going to return that value, that is 52. All are completed, so it will solve, it will add, that is 100 plus 103, 203, 203 plus 24. See guys, 27 plus 3, 30, 30 plus 200. See, 1, 26, 51, 100, 52. 6 plus 4, 10, 5 plus 5, 10, 2 plus 1, 3, 10. So total 230 is the answer. So that is going to append to the variable x. So here it is modified 230. Then it is going to perform printf percentage d comma x. Then it is going to print 230. So the answer is 230. I hope you understood clearly. Here to solve this question, you require the knowledge of static variable. That's it. No, you won't require any other extra knowledge. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.